Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how we can link Coinbase account with your bank account. Linking your bank account with Coinbase allows you to easily transfer funds to and from your account by buying and selling cryptocurrencies. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you'll need to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in coinbase.com and search. Make sure that you are logged into your account as well. After you are signed in, go to the upper right corner and click on your name initial or your profile picture. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings option, go ahead and select Payment Methods. Click on Add a Payment Method on the right hand side and choose Bank Account option at the very top of the pop-up. Click the Continue button in the pop-up and choose your bank institution from the list provided. Log into your bank account by entering your account's credential. Click the Continue to Login option for whichever bank option you've chosen, and then sign into your bank account by entering your correct online banking credentials. Type in your username and password associated with your online banking account that you've chosen and click on Sign In and follow through the instructions. You will then be given the option to add your account using either PayID or BSB account number. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions to complete your verification process. And that way, you will be able to add a bank account to your Coinbase account. That's how you will be able to link your bank account with Coinbase in just a couple of minutes for easy transfer. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.